relationship with the lands upon which they live. It provides us everything that we need: food, shelter, and a place for community. Unfortunately, many of us take its gifts for granted. Anthropology relies on a data collection method known as ethnography. Ethnography relies on interviews and observation of people to provide meaningful interpretations of culture, often to inform solutions to cultural problems. Environmental anthropology takes a step outside of traditional methods in its application to non-humans. We can take different types of information generated through scientific studies and reinterpret them in a way that allows the land to tell its own story. Ideally, this method helps inform policy and stewardship. My research evaluated Rainbow Bridge National Monument in this manner. Rainbow Bridge is a large rock arch in southern Utah, just off of Lake Powell. It is a magnificent geological monument and is a sacred place for many tribes. The idea is to learn how to listen to the land in new ways, to meet the subject of our study on its level and provide meaningful interpretations to help us understand our connections to it. At Rainbow Ridge, the NPS was concerned about the effects of air tours on the stability of the bridge. A geophysical study was commissioned to learn about possible threats to the bridge. Dr. Jeffrey Moore from the University of Utah placed seismometers on the bridge to monitor its vibration, and then he provided scientific interpretations of the data. A good example of this method occurred when the vibration data was played for a large tribal council. The group heard the bridge react to the wind, to earthquakes, and even to waves from the ocean. Many responded saying that the bridge was alive, that that they heard its heartbeat, or a song. So what did we hear? Vibrational responses, or a more relatable, animated being? Both interpretations are valid, but serve very different purposes. My research takes a new look at the data generated through the vibration study and interprets it in a way that provides us with a more value-based subject to work with. Here, Rainbow Ridge is telling us that it is alive and vibrant. Utilizing this framework can help compel us to more deeply consider our values and relationships to the land, hopefully developing better stewardship outcomes. Thank you.